Drosophila mimesis, the mimic fly, has a lifespan of 22 hours, and what it does in that time is unique. Each and every fly has its own individual pheromone pattern. It's how they identify each other. What's interesting about it is this. A young male hatches, finds a dying male, and copies his individual pheromone pattern. Now, when that male dies, the young male impersonates him to steal his mate. Then, in a few hours, the female dies, and a younger one impersonates her, and so on, and so on, and so on. Effectively, the mimic fly lives a lie, a pervasive lie that goes on for hundreds of generations.
The 1903 Ultra microscope. I'm more of a fan of the 1872 model myself, but I've always been one for the oldies. To be honest, my personal favourite is the Cape Hyrax. I come by every day after class and just gaze at it. Such beauty. How are your flies doing?
They're alive, and they're not laying. So far that means I must have disabled the right gene.
Well, I guess that means we were the only two that nailed some results. Me and you. I've brought you something. You left it in the lab. I thought you'd like it back. Well, good luck with your report.
Is that stuff safe for me to breathe?
Since we have a little time left, I thought I'd like to ask you about mating systems. How do we define the mimic fly? Is it a social monogamist? A serial monogamist? Does it engage in polygandry? Polygamy?
They mate for life, which is the definition of social monogamy, and behaviorally, their instincts are driving them towards a single partner.
Well, behaviourally, yes, but genetically speaking, it's not monogamy at all. It's polygamy with the illusion of being monogamy. They're being tricked by their own genetics.
It's interesting, isn't it? This fly's genetics trick it into thinking it's with the same partner for life when actually it's with an imposter. The survival of the species depends on it being oblivious to the truth. But is it really the only one? Take a seat, please. Thank you. Take a hand up, pass back. Alright, settle down, thank you. My computer's away.
So I wrote a paper on the Cape Hyrax, and I know it's late. Would you mind proofreading it for me?
Of course I would.
Perfect. What did you do to your hand?
It's stupid. I was trying to catch a fly in the bathroom and I cut my hand open.
Apparently, the smaller an animal is, the quicker its brain works. So everything kind of appears in slow motion to a fly because its metabolism is so quick. And their eyes are also really cool because they're really bad at picking up detail, but sense movement like 100 times better than we can. So before you even know you've moved your hand, they already know how to escape it. So if you're trying to catch them, if you're trying to catch the fly, then you have to sort of come at it from one direction and then sort of trap it from the other. Or
Hello? Who's there? What is that? What's that noise? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? No. No, hey! Hey!
are you okay in there?
Yeah.